In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journals on Xero, full 2025 guide. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. The goal is to take you from the main Xero landing area to the exact place where the journals report lives, and give you a few helpful tips along the way so you know what to expect and how to troubleshoot if something looks different on your screen. First, make sure you're on the Xero dashboard for the organization you want to work with. The dashboard is your starting point in Xero. It's the home base where you typically land after signing in. If you manage multiple organizations, double check that you're in the correct one before continuing. The journals you'll see later are tied to the specific organization, so being in the right company matters from the start. Next, from the dashboard, look for the main navigation and click on Reports. In most layouts, you'll find reports at the top or on the left side. This opens Xero's reporting center, which groups everything from financial statements to activity logs. If your menu looks a little different, you may be on a newer layout or have a slimmer sidebar, but the reports option will still be there. If you don't see it, it could be a permissions issue. Users without at least standard or advisor access might not have full reporting visibility. In that case, ask your organization's administrator to confirm your role. Once you're in the reporting area, select the Publish section. Published is the place Xero stores finalized or saved versions of reports, so they're easy to find again. This is where the journals report typically appears for quick access. Think of Published as your curated library. Anything your team has saved or set up to revisit will be listed here, including journals. On the Published page, look for the journals report by name. If you have many published items, the search or filter options at the top can help you narrow things down. When you open the journals report, you'll usually see options to adjust the date range, tracking categories, and other filters to zero in on the entries you need. If no results appear, try broadening the period or confirming that manual journals have been posted in the time frame you're checking. A few quick tips before you wrap up. If the journals report isn't visible in Published, it may not have been saved yet. Your team might access it from another area, or you may need the right permission level. Also, interfaces evolve over time, so labels or placements might shift slightly, but the path, dashboard, reports, published, remains the fastest route to journals in Xero.